Hey there. I'm really excited that you're going to start your first Xero client. Maybe you connected your own practice to it, which is a great way to get started. Then, when you log into Xero, you might land in your own. I'm going to show you how to navigate to Xero Headquarters, and then I'm going to show you how to add the organization in the headquarters. Your next step is going to be to connect your bank account, and then the fun part, which is the coding. Do you have questions? You want to dig in deeper? Maybe you want to do some modifications? Just reach out to me because I love helping people get started with Xero. I'm going to share my screen. To get to the Xero headquarters, click on the practice tools and Xero headquarters. You'll know that you're in the headquarters because the menu bar will be gray. You're going to add a client and then you're going to add a Xero organization to it. And you can do this over and over again, make practice clients and put them on trials, no problem. You can change this later. I'm going to choose a sole proprietor. There's not a lot you have to fill out here. You could have the notes, and this is where you assign staff to the client or store documents. But we're going to go straight into adding the Xero organization because I know you want to just get set up. We've got the organization name. You're ready to either start a trial or choose a plan. I'm going to start with a trial. If you did choose a plan, there are business plans and then also there's partner plans. Those are the very inexpensive ones that go down to just $10 a month. So reach out to me if you need some help figuring that out.